Hi, I'm Marianne Binetti, and it is clematis season here in my garden in the Pacific Northwest. It's June, so the summer flowering clematis, and this is a mystery clematis, which means I've lost the tag. I'm not sure about the name of it, but I want to tell you a couple of clematis growing tips. First, when you see your clematis that is in flower or in buds, see these lovely buds here, do not fertilize a clematis in bud or in bloom. If you do, what happens is the clematis gets so excited, it pushes the petals out very, very quickly, and then the petals fall from the plant and you have a shorter bloom season. Instead, just keep your clematis roots cool and moist, and it'll extend that bloom season out for you. Now, I wanted to show you that I have a very short trellis here. It's actually a piece of recycled metal from an old porch, because I'm training this clematis, like most of my clematises, to grow up this small maple tree. This is a butterfly maple. It has lovely pinkish and green leaves, and this purple clematis is almost to the tree branch. I could help it along. But in my garden, I have clematis that are growing in a beech tree. I have clematis that are growing in another maple tree. I have beautiful Nellie Mosier clematis that's growing with a zephyrin thornless pink rose, and that's growing over an arch, and the archway is simply made of hog fencing that you buy at a feed store or farm supply store. And I have clematis that grow into my hydrangea shrubs. I have clematis that also bloom and intertwine into my nandina or heavenly bamboo. So you don't need a lattice to grow a clematis. That's the second tip. Instead, you just need a sturdy, small, woody shrub or tree, and then just train the clematis to grow up into your tree or shrub. And finally, my last tip for growing clematis is what I'm doing right now. It's a glorious clematis season. When something is in bloom, make an excuse to get up close and personal and really make those blooms appreciated. What I do is I bring my little clippers with me, and I look for any yellowing leaves that I can clip off. I'm also looking for pests, and this way I am also looking for any leaves that have brown spots, because I don't want to have any leaf blights on my clematis. But actually, it's just an excuse for any plant that is in glorious bloom. Get up close, get personal, and really learn to enjoy what's blooming in your garden. This has been Marianne Binetti with Easy Answers for Great Gardens.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.